Last night, I took the last train home. Almost empty. Just me, a sleeping guy across from me, and two people in the back. We stopped at 3 stations. No one got on. No one got off. Except the guy across from me. He never moved. Never blinked. Just sat with his head tilted down, like he was asleep. But every time I looked away, his posture changed. One stop, he was slouched. Next stop, he was upright, hands folded. Final stop, he was looking directly at me, still not blinking. I got up and walked to the door. Just before it opened, I heard his voice, "Don't leave me here alone." But when I turned around, the seat was empty.